Really, what we're focusing on in this course is compliance, everything through from safety compliance, quality compliance, all the way through to actually just being a business. So things like your workplace health and safety regulations and legislation, etc. So this course really looks through the whole operation of running an aviation business from a compliance standpoint. Being compliant is the baseline requirement, especially under the aviation regulations. And then obviously understanding what you do as a business and what regulations and law and compliance obligations actually apply to your organization. So in the course, we cover everything all the way from doing that research, that initial research into, okay, I'm doing this is my operation, and these are the obligations that I need to meet from, as I said, the business side, but also the aviation side as well. From there, we move on into engaging stakeholders, ensuring that we have the right people in the room, the right people in the discussion to identify those obligations, but then also to understand what we need to do to meet those compliance obligations. So we're then setting up the framework of a compliance management system. This is sometimes something that people are used to seeing as part of their safety management system or quality management system. We sort of take it out of all of those other management systems and speak about compliance management in general. We need to develop a compliance culture. So compliance culture is imperative, like a safety culture, to the success of that management system. We also cover breach management. So when things don't go to plan, when something isn't compliant, what do? We need a process in place. We need people to be aware of what they need to do, reporting. That culture comes into it as well. And then obviously the actual nuts and bolts of working that through to continuous improvement, corrective actions, and the outcomes of that. So the Managing Aviation Compliance course is very popular for people wanting to achieve their Diploma in Quality Auditing, and it goes hand in hand with our Lead Auditors course as well. A lot of the feedback we get from people that have attended the Managing Aviation Compliance course mention that they really like the practical nature of the course. So from day one, we pretty much work through a practical exercise, which forms the basis for the assessment as well. So you're not only learning theory, which can be quite heavy given the topic of compliance, we actually put that into practice from start to finish, working in groups and making it a little bit lighter and more engaging for the audience.